If your Chevy Colorado dash is dark, you're not alone. Here's how you can fix it. No advanced skills needed. Let's get your dash back to normal. First, check if your dash dimmer switch is turned down by mistake. It's easy to overlook, but sometimes bumping it can dim or turn off the lights. If that's not it, inspect your fuses. Your owner's manual shows exactly where the dash light fuse is. If you see a blown fuse, replace it with one of the same rating. Still not working? Next, check your dash light bulbs. Bulbs can burn out over time. You might need to remove part of the dashboard, so take your time and keep track of any screws. If none of these steps work, it could be a wiring issue. At this point, you may want to call a professional to avoid damage. To recap, check the dimmer, inspect the fuse, look at the bulbs, and think about wiring. These steps solve most Chevy Colorado dash light issues. No need to stress, just follow these basics, and you'll likely have your dash back to normal soon.